Welcome to another exciting episode of Musa and Show. Here is what we have today.
Ududu, I'm gonna say it right here. Dudu Zile Zuma. She's my force. I'm not gonna hide it. She's the only person who's supporting me. Mangizulu buhlungu, uye uyanduduza.
Angiqale ngokubonga kusisi uZizipho ngokuthi a-capture le video le ngoba izolo bekuno live phakathi kuka Sithembiso Khomo kanye no Thabiso Molefe. Unfortunately angiwubonanga, okwesibili bengingazi nokuthi ukhona live ngenxa ke yokuba busy. Kodwa uZizipho uyena o-capture le conversation le ngiyifaka manje. Ngakho ke angimbonge ngalokho. Ngiyazi ukuthi abanye abantu bambuka njengomuntu ongawuthandi umkhonto. Angizukuphawula kuleyo ndaba, kodwa nabo abantu bomkhonto abafundi ukwenza izinto ngenye indlela ukuze bengeze ukunikeza abantu i-attention engenasidingo. Okokuqala nje, usisi lo i-content creator. So if nina nimuphi indaba zokuthi akenze i-content ngazo, angeke aziyeke kwamina nje njengomuntu oyi-content creator. Uma kune-story noma ungathi ngiyayizonda i-political party ethize noma ngathi i-political party ethize ngiyayithanda, uma inginikeza iy'tori engizozifaka la, impela ngiyokwenza ngayo amavidiyo. Sanibona, kule video namhlanje sifisa sikhulume nganangu uThabiso Molefe ovele last week ekhuluma ukuthi bamchargile kumkhonto wesizwe party, kwathiwa kakhulume ne-prosecutor ye-political party. Kubonakala ukuthi anaye asho uhlangothi lakhe bese kubonakala ukuthi uyachargewa na. Uma echarge uzoya kwi-disciplinary committee, uma engachargewanga ngeke azaye. Wenza ivilo wathi yena ngeke azaye lapho, ngeke azaye responde naleyo letter. Sithe sisabheke lokho kwaphuma iletha ethi uyaresign. Senza ivideo sanazisa ukuthi uThabiso Molefe oyikhansela la ngapha eNorth West uthi uyaresign. Emveni kwalapho waphinde yena futhi wenza ivideo ethi yena uyaziqhelelanisa naleya letter. Leya letter it's a draft. Okusho ukuthi uyithayipile yena wayisenda ku-social media, zange ayisendele kumkhonto wesizwe. So ngaleso sizathu aka-resign. Kodwa-ke kule video njengoba ngikucaphunele le ndaba esekuqaleni, uyaveza ukuthi kumkhonto wesizwe party ubani yena asebenzisana naye, ubani yena reporter kuye. Osho ukuthi unelungelo lokwenza zonke lento azenzayo nokukhuluma the way akhuluma ngakhona nge-political party ngoba uyazi ukuthi ubani umuntu okuyena ombhekhaphayo. Ongakwazi-ke nokumkhuza ukuthi cha, iy'nkinga amaninazo zilethe kimi phela sizixoxe, sizibone ukuthi sizilungisa kanjani. Kodwa mhlambe iseluleko sakhe ukuthi hhayi wena phuma uzibhale ku-social media, angeke ngazi. Sizoyicaphuna-ke le video esirekhodele usisi uZizipho sezi ukuthi uThabiso Molefe kanye noSithembiso Khomo enkulumeni yabo batheni.
But Babukhomo, besenza ama-program without any permission even of the president. Now, Mari, we must do the programs with the permission of the leadership Yaga Floyd. Akusona ukubulala umkhonto. It's not like we are going to ask for the funds from someone. For instance, let's say I say this month I'm gonna take out 100K. I want to do a big program of my regions, 5 sub-regions, example. Why kumele ukuthi bangistop? Why kumele ukuthi bangistop? I've asked for 500 t-shirts, they refused. Now I have to go and buy the merchandise. But office yaga SG, office yaga national organized, there is a merchandise. I have to outsource my own t-shirts like I did before on the by-elections. They refused to give us 500 t-shirts. Bukune bridge la na Mabuluka in Preds. Kune bridge emabuluka yawa yawisa amanzi sifuna ukuthi sicatshe ama-TLB, sicatshe abantu bayosithuthela isandi, sakhe le bridge kabusha siyibeke kahle SMK. We requested that they must give us the 500 t-shirt. Ubaba John Ndlela onqabile akafuna ukunikeza ama-t-shirt. Why? Ababona ukuthi comrade babulala umkhondo.
Kanti eqinisweni lilonke le leadership ekhona eka Floyd noma yomkhonto wesizwe party na. Yazi ngiyadideka la mina ukuthi kusho ukuthi kune leadership yomkhonto wesizwe party bese kuba khona leadership ka Floyd. Kanti kahle kwenzakalana. Ngiyishilo lento abanye abantu bomkhonto wesizwe ngababona ukuthi kusafuneka bakhule ngokomqondo, kusafuneka bakhule ngokwazi izinto. Ngathi kubo fundani ku-EFF. Ayikho into enkulu njengenziwa ama-fighter. Ama-fighter a-protector i-movement no matter what. Ama-fighter, they don't follow an individual, but follow a movement. If useseyilunga le-EFF bayakuthanda bayakupraise yonke into right, kodwa the day wenza into ekhombisa ukuthi wena uphambene neqembu labo kuyi-EFF, funa wazi from that day ukuthi uyisitha sawo wonke umuntu okhona ku-EFF nongamonanga, ngoba bayazi ukuthi no one is bigger than the organization. The organization will outlive everyone. Asiqhubeke. Ngikusho lokhu ngoba le division ekhona isencane manje izokwanda. Inabantu bayo, izo-recruiter bayo. Igcina inkulu, igcina engasalawuleki. Kuzoba khona leadership yomkhonto eholo uDuduzile, kube khona leadership ka Floyd eholo Floyd ene-National High Command ehamba nge-Constitution. Kuyiwaphi kahle kuyiwaphi? Lingabe lento ithathi i-political party isaphambili. Awucabange nje bafuna ukuwina ama-elections wango 2026 baphatha ama-metro njoba behlukene kumanje. Hayi bantu bakithi masani ukudlala ngathi usho ukuthi nifuna abantu base South Africa bathatha isikhathi sabo bayonivotela nehlukene kanje bazobe bephethwe obani? Ufuna kuthathwa ama-decision kuthiwa wathathwanga umkhonto athathwe ilokuzana ka Floyd, kuthi bathi bafuna ukuwina ama-national elections ngo-2029 azobe ethathwe ngobani? Laba behlukene. Imagine nje uthatha isikhathi sakho uhambe uyovota, uvotela abantu abehlukene, ekugcineni kosuku bona abashayisana ngembono bese uthi bazogavana i-country ephethe abantu abaphambene ngembono vele. Hey, abantu bomkhonto bake basithathe serious, abasithathe nje serious.
Ababoni angeke babukhoma kumele ukuthi bangixoxe, bazongixoxa mina. You see, I didn't resign, but I'm telling you
abakhohlwe le ukuxoxa ngoba mabexoxa wena futhi iNorthwest asikhohlwe yiyo iNorthwest. Bona balungise lento abanye bayilungise ngoba uyazi ukuthi i-respect the time abantu uba respecta ne nabo abantu futhi nabo bazokurespecta futhi. Uma ukhombisa ukuthi abantu awuba respect, expecteni wena yini expectile mangabe ungaba respect abantu ngoba kumele abantu abavotile, abantu abasegroundini abasebenzayo uba respect ukuze nabo ba respect. But most yabo abazange baze basirespect thina. Yingakho even namantwa abawufuni uTikTok, abawufuni umbuzo omkhulu ukuthi wani ngawufuni uTikTok ngoba awuqali manje uTikTok ukuthi ukhulume kanje. Besikhuluma kahle before, kodwa nina futhi naphinda futhi nina nazolwa nabantu engamelanga nilwe nabo. Sikhathele ngane zakwethu, sikhathele. Uma ngabe ungasirespect kuzoba khona inkinga.
Babukhoma.
Yes baba.
Angithi bayasho ukuthi we must respect the leadership of the MK party.
Ingasirespect thina.
Bayasho uDudu, I'm gonna say it right here. Dudu Zile Zuma. She's my force. I'm not gonna hide it. She's the only person who's supporting me. Mangizula ubuhlungu uye uyanduduza. Uyawuzwa baba khoma? Hello. Baba khoma. Anguzwa.
Yes, baba. Ngase baba.
Yeah. So manje dilo di etsagale mo mkhonto wesizwe. Re tshabe go campaigner because of Floyd Urile. We cannot. Definitely we cannot. And also I'm encouraging all the members of MK Party to go and source funds the way they can source funds. Continue with the program in the province of Northwest. We cannot leave our organization Comrade Kitwago, but what is this? Tabazimbi. Volunteers in Tabazimbi. I supplied them with food. Are you aware? On that election of municipality. Babcom. Hello.
Yes,
are you
ma'am.
listening?
Yes.
Nsuga eThabazimbi. The PR councillor that you are in now in
Iyona ke video lesiyitholile. Noma echazile usisi ukuthi ngabe sithole ivideo ende kodwa ngenxa ukuthi ifoni yakhe bengena space usitholele le piece le. Ya benginama nginilethele yona nizwe nani. Njengamalungu omkhonto abanye njengabantu mhlawumbe abayibonile potential umkhonto ukuthi bangawuvotela kodwa cabangisisani wena nje noma ubona une-potential cabangisisa ungalahli ivoti lakho ngoba labantu behlukene. Ya ngisho nje kuwe wena noma kuthiwa usililunga lomkhonto you've lost hope kwesinye isikhathi bosuthatha isinqumo sokungavoti. Cabangisisa yebo khona kufanele kuphunywe kuyovotwa ngoba belungu bashilo bathi bafuna iGNU ihlezi khona laphaya. Kodwa mina ngithi uma ufuna ukuvotela umkhonto cabangisisa bahlukene labantu behlukene. And uma lento kuse-early kanje bengakaphathi indawo eningi besahlukene kanje asazi angisho lutho kodwa nje kubantu abasathemba ukuthi umkhonto wesizwephathi uzoletha ushintsho. Hayi funeka baqale balungise kwabo uqala sibone ukuthi bayakwazi ukulungisa iy'nkinga zasemakhaya ezasekhaya zasegcekeni. Uma behlulwa ukulungisa iy'nkinga zasegcekeni angeke bazilungise ezesizwe. So mzukwane kwaphela ukuthi kube nalama team. Lama team kakhandwa into eyodwa. Akhandwa ukuthi thina njengabantu noma abantu laba ngithi thina ngoba ngibala wonke ngikhulumela nabanye abantu abafollow umkhonto wesizwe party noma bangamamember umkhonto wesizwe party. Uma kwenzeka lama division balandela abantu abathize abalandeli organization. Ingakho ngithe fundani kuma fight. Mina nawe sidibane kwivideo elandelayo. Ngiyabonga.